Welcome to DevScope Technological Videos. Today we are going to learn how to dynamically show different formats in Power BI. We are going to show to you two different ways of doing that. One, what we call the old way, that can be used, for example, for analysis services, where we are going to use calculation groups, and another way that we call it the new way, that is after the update of the Power BI in April 2023, and will be quicker and easier way to use the format. So imagine, for example, let's go here to Power BI and imagine that you have a table with different KPIs, and some of them are in percentage and the others has a whole number. You can see here that probably you would like to show them as a whole number, and the ones that are in percentage should be shown as probably a decimal number and then the symbol of percentage. Let's see how it is in the graphs. So we go here and you are going to see that the values, when is a percentage, are shown has a decimal number, and here you have the whole number. So this way should be okay, but we would like to have a better way to show it with percentage KPIs. So the first thing that we are going to do is go to the table and create a new calculated column. So we are here and then we go to transform data. Let me put this screen so you can see it. And what we are going to do is on the table that you have the values, go to the add column and create a conditional column. And what we are going to say is that, let's give it a name, percentage or ABS, the absolute number. And what we are going to say is that if the KPI name contains the symbol of percentage, and so you have to pay attention that when you have the name should have the percentage symbol to be able to detect this, we will put an output of a 1, and when it doesn't contain that percentage symbol, we'll have a 0. So super easy to create this new calculated column. We have it already, so if it's a percentage, we have a 1, and if it's not a percentage, like here, you have a 0. Let's go and close and apply this. Okay, this will now create the new column. It's applying the changes. So here it is, our new column. And now what we have to do is to use an external tool that you probably know, that is Tabular Editor. And now we need to create these calculation groups. So I have it here on this screen. Let me put it to you so you can see. Now here, what we need to do is go here to the tables and with right click, create a new calculation group. Let's call it, for example, format. And right click again, and you will have create a calculation item. Okay, percentage or ABS. And now what we need to do is to put here the selected measure. So selected measure. Okay, and the magic happens in this part. On the properties, on the format string expression, I have it already here, my DAX formula that I'll explain to you what it does. So if the selected value of this column that we have just created has a 1, the format will be a decimal number and a percentage symbol. And if it doesn't have this number 1 on the column, it will be just the whole number. So super easy, you just have to put the DAX formula here, give it OK, don't forget to save, and then you will have now a new table on your Power BI. Is this one, this format table. So let's go back to the graph, and now you will see this on this format table. You have this name. Let's refresh the data. Let's open the filter pane and let's drag this new column to put it to be applied to all pages. And this new calculation, you can just select here, and you will see that when you have a KPI in percentage, this will be shown as a percentage and a decimal number with a percentage symbol. And when you have the whole number KPI, it will keep the same format as you had before. So it's a super easy way to have this in calculation groups. It's mainly used right now after April with analysis service on-prem or cloud analysis services. But after the update of the Power BI in April, there's a new way that is even easier to do this. And let's see how to do it. Okay, let's look at the new way of doing this. It's so much easier and faster, so let's see how to do it. When you have this measure, the sum value measure, you will see that if you go here, first you have to add this new feature, so you should go to File, Options and Settings. On the options, you will see that you can select this new preview feature. And in here, preview feature, don't forget to select this dynamic format string, otherwise you won't be able to see the options that I will show on the video. And now you just select the measure that you want to show, and here in format you have a new option, that is this dynamic option. And now when you click this dynamic option, you will see that here you have the format and the measure. So this format is where you can put the new DAX formula. So just go here and put the same formula that you had before, this historical values percentage or KPI or ABS, sorry. So you have to do it again, you have to do the new calculation column. Let's go here, transform data, and now here let's make a conditional column on this, add column, conditional column, percentage or ABS. Let's go right here. If the column name contains the percentage, I will be faster on this because we have seen this before. We'll have a 1, otherwise 0. Okay, let's save it. And now apply changes, and this formula of the sum values will be detected. So now it's super easy. You have just to put the expression DAX formula in here, and you'll be able to switch between percentage and whole number with just these few clicks. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy this new feature and hope to see you soon.